Hello YouTube watchers and subscribers. Guess where I'm off to today? The photography and video show. I need a coffee, that's all I know. I might have to come for a Starbucks later. This is what's coming up here in the future, guys. If you're interested, as you can see, we're here. Oh, right guys, I've got my piece of paper here. So, piece of paper to this lovely lady here to let me in. Look, she's hiding herself. I don't know where to start. I really don't know where to start. I'm going to cut myself off so you don't have to see my mug all the time. I know where that's from. Tuk Tuk in Thailand. Oh, been in many of these.
How short VT?
Grabbing a quick coffee.
With the cap, right?
Yeah guys, I have wrapped it up now.